Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're gonna learn how to remove sitemap from your Google Search Console, and finally how you can add a new sitemap. So just visit your Search Console dashboard and just go to sitemaps, and this is my website powerfultutors.com, and it's already a status here. You can see success. Okay, and the last read here you can see November 28 2024. That's when I submitted this sitemap on that particular date. Okay, so I want to remove this sitemap. Okay, so how we can sitemap remove? So how we can do this? So click on that and you will see the three dot. Okay, so also you can open the sitemap over here if you want to see the sitemap. So you can see total discovered pages 60. So you can check your sitemap is enabled or not. You can see the post sitemap page and web stories, and you can see the three dot over here. So click on here and remove sitemap. Click on remove. So right now there is no sitemap over here. So if you want to add, so you can see add a new sitemap over here. So how you can add? It's pretty simple. Just write a sitemap.xml. So sitemap.xml. Okay, click on submit and it will verify and it will update it. Successfully done. Here you can see sitemap submitted successfully. So Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. Click on dismiss. Perfect. And here you can see the submitted date is March 10 2025. So I think it will update our site and Google will discover this. Okay, so this is how you can remove the sitemap, and this is how you can add your sitemap URL. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries please comment below. So I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.